demi-plie combination. Preparation 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do 2 dummies in first. Demi and stretch, demi and stretch. You're gonna tendu your foot to Alice cone to second position. Lower the heel, you're gonna do 2 dummies again. Demi and stretch, demi and stretch. Same leg is gonna do a tendu again and go into third position. You're gonna do 2 dummies, demi and stretch, demi and stretch. Same foot's gonna tendu back out to Alice cone. Come into 5th position, 2 dummies, demi and stretch, demi and stretch. Tendu back to 1st position and do it all again for the other side. Demi and stretch, demi and stretch. Tendu to 2nd. Tendu to 3rd. Tendu to 5th. Tendu back to 1st and finish. Battement tendus in 1st position facing the bar. You're gonna do 4. You're gonna do your preparation. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna do 4 devant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna do 4 Alice cone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna do 4 derriere. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you're gonna do 4 Alice cone. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you're gonna do the other side. 4 front, 2, 3, 4. 4 side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Derriere. 1, 2, 3, 4. To the side. 1, 2. Alice cone. 3, 4, and then finish. Ballet Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing a battement tendu in our 1st position with a demi-plie. You're going to do your preparation. 5, 6, 7, 8. You're going to do a tendu devant. You're going to bring it back to your 1st, and then demi-plie. You're going to do that same thing a 2nd time. Tendu, 1st, demi-plie. Now you're going to go Alice cone. Tendu side, 1st, demi-plie. And then straighten. Tendu Alice cone, 1st, demi-plie. Now it's time to do a derriere. Derriere, 1st, demi-plie. Derriere, 1st, demi-plie. And now to the side again. Alice cone, 1st, demi-plie. Alice cone, 1st, demi-plie. Time to do the other foot. Tendu, devant, demi-plie. Tendu, devant, demi-plie. Tendu, Alice cone, demi-plie. Tendu, Alice cone, demi-plie. Tendu, derriere, demi-plie. Tendu, derriere, demi-plie. Tendu, Alice cone, demi-plie. And then tendu, Alice cone, demi-plie. And then finish. Ballet Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing a passe et terre in 1st position. So we're going to be tenduing our foot to devant and then tenduing it derriere. We're going to do that 8 times. So preparation 5, 6, 7, 8. Front, derriere, front, derriere, 3, derriere, 4, derriere, 5, derriere, 6, derriere, 7, derriere, And then 8, derriere, other foot, devant, derriere, devant, 2, derriere, 3, derriere, 4, derriere, 5, 8, complete it, first position, and finish. Ballet Jacklyn Dougherty. We're not going to be doing a demi-rond de jambe combination at the bar. You're going to take your foot to avant, you're going to open à la seconde, you're going to close back to first. You're going to open to à la seconde, and then open to derriere, back to first. We're going to do that 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8, devant, à la seconde, first, à la seconde, derriere, first. That's 1. Front, side, first, à la seconde, derriere, first, front, side, first, à la seconde, derriere, first, front, side, first, à la seconde, derriere, first. Other foot, front, side, first, side, back, first, front, side, first, side, back, first, front, side, first, side, back, first. Now what we're going to do is we're going to reverse that whole combination. So we're going to go back, side, first, side, front, first, okay? So ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, back, side, first, side, front, first, back, side, first, side, front, first, back, side, first, side, front, first, last one, back, side, first, side, keep that heel to the front, first, other foot, back, side, first, side, front, first, back, side, first, side, front, first, back, side, first, side, front, first, last one, back, side, first, side, front, first, and then finish. Ballet combination preparatory arms exercise. My name is Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to have one hand on the bar this time. You're going to open up your arms into, first, you're going to drop your one arm down, your working arm down to preparatory position. You're going to hold that for 4, 3, 2, 1, bringing up to first. 1, 2, 3, 4, drop it down. Now you're going to bring it up to first and then third. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 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 hold 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to do that one again. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 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 hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go from here, hold 1, 2, 3, 4, bring it to first, 1, 2, 3, 4, now second, 2, 3, 4, back to first, 2, 3, 4, drop it down, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to go into all the positions. So you're going to go here, then first, then third, then second, and down, holding each one for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, now first, 2, 3, 4, now third, 2, 3, 4, now second, 2, 3, 4, now preparatory, 2, 3, 4, drop your other arm down. We're going to do the same thing to the other side now. So we're just going to do here for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, drop it down, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, high, fifth, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, low, first, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, third, 2, 3, 4, second, 2, 3, 4, drop it down, 2, 3, 4. Here, 2, 3, 4, open the second, 2, 3, 4, close the first, 2, 3, 4, drop it down, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna do it in all positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, high fifth, third, 2, 3, 4, second, 2, 3, 4, drop it down, 2, 3, 4, and now finish. Ballet Jacklyn Dougherty. So we're going to be doing battement tendus in 5th position. We're going to do prep 5, 6, 7, 8. We're going to do 4 en trois. So we're going to do 4 devant. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to do 4 side. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to close first time. Now you're going to go derriere. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna close back first, side, 2, 3, 4. And then now we're gonna change your feet to the other foot. 5, 6, and we go front, 2, 3, 4, side, 2, 3, 4, so back, derriere, 2, 3, 4, Auskommen, side, 2, 3, 4, and finish. Ballet Jacklyn Dougherty preparatory exercise for battement jetés. So this is a preparatory exercise. You're going to do a tendu. You're going to lift up. You're going to lower, bring it back to first. You're going to do that 4 times, front, side, and back. So prep 5, 6, 7, 8, tendu, lift, tendu, down, tendu, lift, tendu, down, 3, up, da, da, 4. Now we're going to Auskommen, lift, down, first, Auskommen, lift, down, first, Auskommen, lift, down, first, Auskommen, lift, down, first, derriere, lift, down, first, derriere, lift, down, first, derriere, lift, down, first, derriere, lift, down, first, Auskommen, lift, down, first, Auskommen, lift, down, first, Auskommen, lift, down, first, Auskommen, lift, down, first, other foot, front, 2, 3, and then 4, and then 5, to the side, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then derriere, 1, tendu, lift, 3, 4, and then Auskommen, 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then finish. Ballet Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing a preparatory exercise for frappes. So you're going to take a nice tendu Auskommen. You're starting in 5th. You're going to take a nice tendu Auskommen. Then you're going to bring yourself in. You're going to have your ball of your foot stay on the floor. You're going to bring it into your coup de pied devant. Then you're going to bring it back out. And you're going to do the same thing. Derriere. Bring it back out. Devant. So your toes are the only thing staying on the floor. We're going to do that 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tendu. Coup de pied. Tendu. Coup de pied. Tendu. 2. Tendu. Tendu. 3. And then 4. We're going to complete it, going to the back. We're going to take a nice tendu. We're just going to close back so we can have the other foot accessible. Ready, and we go. Tendu, devant, tendu, derriere, tendu, devant, tendu, derriere, tendu, devant, tendu, derrière, last one, tendu, devant, tendu, derrière, tendu, closing back, and now finish. Ballet with Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing a ballet combination. What you're going to do is you're going to take 4 counts to go up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Down 2, 3, 4. 4 times. 5, 6, 7, 8. Up 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Down 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Up 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Down 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Up 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Down 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Last one. Up 2, 3, 4. Hold 2, 3, 4. Down 2, 3, 4. And now finish. Ballet with Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing an arm exercise, okay? We're going to be going through our low first, high fifth, and then we're going to open out into second, okay? It's going to be a build type of combination, so follow along. We're going to hold each one for 4 counts. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, drop it down. 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, fifth, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, drop it down. 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, second, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, drop it down. 2, 3, 4. We're gonna do 4. We're gonna do it all now in each position. 1, 2, 3, 4, first, 2, 3, 4, fifth, 2, 3, 4, second, 2, 3, 4. Now back to low, fifth, 2, 3, 4. Much love. Ballet with Jacklyn Dougherty. We're going to be doing ballet marches to the number of the room. So we're going to put our hands on the hips and we're going to do 4 marches to the front, which is number 1, which is to the mirror or to the front of the camera. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to bring it back up to the middle. And now we're going to do 4 to corner number 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to bring it back to the middle. And now we're going to do 4 going to number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to bring it back to your middle. And now we're going to do 4 to corner number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to bring it back up. And we're going to do 4 to 5, corner number 5. You're gonna do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna bring it back up. You're gonna do 6. You're gonna do corner number 6, and you're gonna do 4 to that corner. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna go to corner number 7, and you're gonna do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to corner number 8. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then bring it back. Ballet reverence with Jacklyn Dougherty. This is a time me for thanking you for coming to the class and to thank me for teaching the class and to also thank our audience. You can either do a curtsy or a bow to both sides, and that's what we're gonna do. So ready, 5, 6, and we go. Thank you so much for coming to class. I had so much fun. Please visit jacklyndougherty.com for more. Bye.